In a recent political twist, the Voice of the People's Party (VPP) saw a significant influx of members from various political factions in Meghalaya. On the 8th of February 2024, around 30 members from the Hill State People's Democratic Party (HSPDP) in Nongstoiñ and Sohīong Constituency officially joined the VPP. Subsequently, on the 13th of February, approximately 40 Congress members, including former Congress General Secretary Golden Nonglong from Nongstoiñ, as well as UDP leaders and supporters from Nongstoin Constituency, also shifted their allegiance to the VPP. In response to these developments, VPP Party President, who is also the MLA from Nongkrem, Arden Mbasiyomoy, along with Vice President Dr. Kara Chen, MLA of Maulai, Bright Starwell Marbanyang, MLA of North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, and MLA from Maurangkaneng, HS Kharpran, among others, extended a warm welcome to the new members, solidifying the party's ranks.
Ngatit dikena badi katakan nongrim hiru ka bakring yapi bapin wan sengi te ngim don kam re yishko tang man scam ye ga jimut ke pakhat ko jpi ko ma ong men chitiu tek man ta sni aga new trick ni la priang ikin nongilam ki bon na sen HSPDP te man ta hangi jila mas ko tho ilai khle ki nongilam nadu ki nongilam jonga sen congress mo ba golden General Secretary la bakla Secretary Jangka Party Congress nata kiwi ki don kinoilam ki pade ki hot ki president jo kiwi pat ki sengsai pathe eseng sola bandon ngi UDP ban kiwi te ki priang sola plalong kinoilam PSO tho hi yang jingality jo jala ka jing bat ngange kade ki jing sokhya ya ka ri ba ya jat ri ba sha ka shismi apa pelong EP ba pinam suk ba pin shong aki seng ba pipi don ban hai shi ni ka seng ga jing ba sotra pelong bagi lala ban kring EP ndai ba PE iki kam contract ki ba he ki ba ngila ban IP re ki ba kita ki nongrim ki ba ngila krensha akapor bagi seng ya ka nega party ki ba ngila kita ka voice of the people party haringkat kata ka jingi jingai ka ba shai kumno ban saindur thma ya ka loi jongka ri ka jack ri ka vision ka bangi ong ka bangi da bo ka party ke jingi ba ka tagalong ban penempat ban penbahapat ban penklado to revive, restore and transform GP ban pelong igri India goi gri tin goi ka niam goi te bantala da hapo asam sunchar BJP sedang ban khang ki jimani play ngeni persya yu ngin marbo tu pai ba tu heji Susung senai, agak jingnong para beriu. Susung senai bagi para kersan juga kinsya lebih. Mo, i gini ke jingma, tinggi lasai. Kita mar kita kalau nyihapan suatu usai. Ngidang ya keren bagi perok ki bagi kendo. Bakumbalong hamil kehalian. Para po Mizoram dan sikan long kebaik. Ya ki nongrim jong ke BJP bagani ban besu. Jing job jong BJP po Meghalaya arngut ki MLA rukamde namar ba. Lesi banong ba. Kadai ka BJP kan ini gitu kibri gitu kumalong kendali ile sepang satu ki job ne ki pai ba ahi kinum priang kini nongrim juga kenapa kata ka dan kami ni ban klaim kan nongrim kan jini apa gini nang ni semua